Make, Shape, Create.
We're making resin galaxies. Hey guys, I'm Corey.
I'm Jess.
This is Make, Shape, Create, and we are making, what are they called?
They're going to be plaques that are done with the Zodiac signs, our names and our friends' names and our wedding dates.
And a galaxy.
And a galaxy theme. So I'm trying to do this as a gift for our friends and then something for us also.
Name pending.
Name pending.
So, yesterday we went ahead and cut down the MDF boards we're going to use for this. We got them all right here. Anyway, so we're going to use the router, give them a round over real quick, put some paint on them in the background, and go from there. Hey, that looked awesome. That was way easier than I thought it was going to be. Alright guys, so we got our setup going here. We got paints that I picked out, paints that Jess picked out, paints we're going to probably both use, even though we'll probably end up using some of these paints from each other anyway. If you're wondering why there's like 2 pinks and 2 greens and 2 yellows and 2 blues and 2 oranges, we had bought all these supplies once and then lost them. So then we bought them all again.
And found them.
And found them. So now we got too much, but that's okay. We got options now.
Mm-hmm.
We had a hiccup.
Just a little bit.
So the original paint didn't turn out the way we wanted to because it kept working after we got done working on it, and then we had stuff spill and didn't do what we wanted to do, and then we redid what we did, and then we didn't like that either, so we're half-assed starting over. We've repainted them black, and we're going a different route. Instead of paint, we're going to use resin. We're going to try making galaxies with resin.
I think that'll work better.
We've never done this before. But then again, we've never done any of this before.
Yeah. True. But it's worth a shot.
So let's proceed.
All right, so we have them spray painted black. Now we're gonna add the stars for the background. I'm gonna use some white acrylic paint and a toothbrush and just make the stars. So here we go. So I think I like this better than the last time.
I like yours a lot.
So I didn't like how the mica powders were like so opaque. And I was like, you can't see the stars. So then I started adding alcohol ink and then added a bunch of alcohol.
But you can see your stars now.
Now you can because I thinned it out with the alcohol. So I think it looks a lot better now. I like this. I'll leave it alone now. I think I'm done. I think. Kind of reminds me of a nebula.
I like mine, but I wish I would have stopped. I don't think I should have added the alcohol. I think I liked it there, and there. I shouldn't have done these. But we're going to see how it goes. I do still like it better than the last try. I think the problem with the last one is I was trying to get, I was trying to draw a galaxy versus trying to do like flow acrylics or whatever with a galaxy. And yeah, so that didn't work.
Made more of a mess than you did.
Well, I also, like I said, that was also the thing we noticed is Jess was just kind of putting whatever on wherever, and I was a little more controlled about where I put whatever, which I thought was interesting. But anyway, so these have to cure, I forget how long. I want to say like 12 hours. So they have to cure for a while. And then we'll be back tomorrow to add clear coats. Okay, so we went ahead and cut out the vinyl. You've seen that work before. You don't need us to do it again. So we're gonna put these on, start resining. Okay, resin's done. Just gotta let these cure overnight. Hopefully only overnight. And we'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully they look okay. Fingers crossed. That's how we did them, guys. I'm happy with them.
I like them. I think they look really good.
They were not the original envisionment, but I think I actually like this idea better.
Me too.
I wish we would have started with this. It
Yeah,
would
me
have gone
too.
a lot quicker.
It would have.
It would have gone a lot quicker had we not been lazy either. This has been like a month in the works. We were trying to give them to them on this date. Well, not this date, but you know, September 14th, not 2 months later.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Anyway, if you want to see more projects like this, there's going to be a resin playlist for you up here. Google's going to suggest something for you down there. Hopefully you like it. You can subscribe right here. You can catch us again next week. See ya.
See you guys.